Welcome. In front of me is a OnePlus 13R, and today I will show you how we can enable and set up your portable hotspot. So to get started, you will want to pull down your notifications by swiping down from the top of the screen, and then swipe down once again to extend the list of visible toggles. Next, somewhere here you will find hotspot toggle. If it's not visible by default, we might need to add it ourselves, and you can do so by clicking right here on these three dots and then select edit tiles. Now our hotspot at that point will be visible on one of the pages down here. For me, it is visible on the first one, as you can see, named hotspot below. So we're gonna click on that plus. This will get added to my toggles, and when I go back, I should have access to it. Now when you added it, you then want to hold it, as this will quickly take you to the settings. Now the reason for that, under the hotspot settings, you will find randomly generated password. Without navigating here, you have no way of knowing what it is set to, so I recommend just getting rid of it once you navigate in here, and then setting up your own new password, which will need to have at least 8 characters in length, and it can be letters, numbers, doesn't really matter. Make sure you click on save once you change the password, and then you can close this, find the toggle once again, and this time around just simply tap on it to turn it on. And from now on, once it's on, you can connect to your hotspot with other devices. Now keep in mind that by default, the hotspot does have an option right here to automatically turn off hotspot after 10 minutes of inactivity. Inactivity is referring to any kind of time in which hotspot is not using any data. So as an example, if you were to load a web page and you load it up and spend more than 10 minutes on it, chances are automatically hotspot will be turned off after 10 minutes. Even though you're continuously reading some article on that website, it's not going to use any data, therefore it's going to turn off your hotspot. So if that is something that bothers you, you can turn it off, but I would actually recommend keeping that on, as hotspot will consume more of your phone's battery. So once you're done using it, if you forget about it, it would just be wasting your battery for no reason. And obviously you can also turn that hotspot off yourself by tapping on the toggle in the toggle tray right here. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.